Number 5, speed. Now, you're probably thinking, what does that mean, Damien? So, the speed in which you can prepare food on a food truck at an event is good in multiple reasons. Number 1, customer satisfaction, obviously. Nobody wants to wait in line 20 or 30 or 45 minutes, pass off their order to the window, and then have to stand next to your truck and wait another 10 or 15 minutes. I actually was just at another food truck event this past weekend here in Georgia. We went to a food truck event, a food truck rally. It had a lot of food trucks. There was probably about 12 trucks. Every single line was ridiculously long. And I noticed, I was actually in line with my son, and my wife was actually standing in a truck across the street from us. We were in 2 different lines, and it was taking forever for them to make. The one truck that we were at, my son wanted some type of a hamburger hot dog, very simple product to make. But the line that it took, the speed in which it took to prepare the food and get it to the customer was outrageous. And then the crazy thing is we were about 5 people away from the window. Then they sold out of everything, which made us even more irritable and irritated, and it was just ridiculous.